Well, MEDRC is an international organisation with a very simple mission: to find solutions to freshwater scarcity. And nowhere is that mission more urgent than in the aftermath of a humanitarian crisis. If you think of a tsunami where the seawater comes into the coastal area and retreats, or a hurricane where seawater is all around cities and towns where the freshwater access is diminished. If you think of a life raft where someone is surrounded by miles and miles of ocean with no access to drinking water, if we can find a way to get drinking water and fresh water to those people in the first day or two after a humanitarian crisis, we will be doing humanity a huge, huge service.
Traditional water treatment purification devices remove particles. It removes the bacteria, it removes the viruses, it removes those things that make you sick. But when you look at the ocean, you look at seawater, you look at water that contains salt, this is much, much harder to treat.
In collaboration with the Research Council of Oman, MEDRC is announcing a $700,000 competition for a research or engineering team to develop a small, single-user, simple-to-use desalination unit that can take bacteria and viruses as well as salt out of water.
We believe that working with all people around the world, someone is going to have an idea that's never been thought of that will allow us to take this really large factory that we see currently today making large amounts of water and shrink that down into your hand.
The winning team must produce an apparatus that can desalinate seawater. It must be cheap, it must be very, very easy to deploy anywhere on Earth, and it must operate off-grid.
So think about joining with us and competing to win this prize to accomplish this really difficult task that no one has ever done before.
We really get a chance to forge our work together on one of these last great challenges and make an amazing difference for humanity all over the world.